I think MT Knives is going to be closed for a snow day. Let's see if she'll start. Go get a sled.
The van wouldn't make it? I saw you going back and forth a bunch trying to get up the hill.
Those tires are worthless. Do you know how expensive sleds are? They wanted $70 for one sled.
Do you think you got the sled?
Yeah.
You think you did?
$70?
Do you got $70?
No, not anymore.
You can't buy it.
It was $100 for two sleds.
Hey, wait. 70 plus 70 is not 100.
You're correct.
Ben, can
Should we go look in the back of the deuce to see if there's any sleds back there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you try if there's not? I wonder how snow got up.
Well, I don't know.
I don't see any back there. Do you see any? I don't see any.
No. I see something red and something
Something red.
green.
There's batteries. Dad had to buy new batteries. That was $500. So we got batteries instead of sleds. You want to try?
Do you want to sit on a sled?
You want to try to sled down a battery? It might be shocking. Oh wait, what's this?
Sled.
Two sleds.
For who? For everybody.
For me?
Yeah. There's only one for you.
Oh, is that one yours?
Yeah.
So I wasn't gonna buy this one because I thought $70 was ridiculous, but then I looked on Amazon and it's really not. I mean, compared to it's
Right.
ridiculous. But this one is way higher, so snow's not gonna scoop over the front. And look, 3 people can fit on there. It shows your work boots and your toboggans or whatever. So thankfully, the store in town stocks a good selection of these.
And that's a USA one. That's
Yeah,
interesting.
made in the USA, so that's good. All right, should I test it?
Yeah.
All right.
Mandy, okay?
Okay. Are we gonna race?
Can you put your hood on, buddy?
Downhill, Dad.
Okay. Let's go find a hill.
Up that curve.
Okay.
Oh, he didn't put his overalls back on him.
Gotta be careful. It's wet. It's crazy how much that dew slides around.
Well, you made it back home, though.
Yeah, those curves are the-
Hey, hold his hand.
What's all those leaves from?
Oh,
Dang it. Alright, no, we're gonna start right here. We don't want to keep going too fast.
Sam, here's the trick. Lay down and
Alright, watch out. Who's going with me? Okay.
ready. 1, 2, 3, launch.
You want to go, Sandy?
She's like, I want to go inside. Okay, ready? Get Sandy's coming.
Wait, hold on.
Ready? Especially on that sharp rock.
You want to kick him?
I wish this thing steered better.
Yeah. They have slugs
Come on,
with
move,
steers.
Sandy. Move, Sandy. Stop, Malachi. Get us on.
Shoot Sandy back.
Sandy!
Ready? Yeah, you want to lean the opposite way you want to go on these.
Here we go.
Can I ride down again by myself?
Or who wants to go?
I'll video.
That's okay. You hang on. You just.
Whoa. You go by yourself. No, you go too.
Okay. We're ready. Watch out, Judah.
Judah, let's race.
Here we go.
Judah. It's gonna win. Oh, no.
Oh, we're in the ditch. Was that fun?
That's one.
Hop out. Are you trying to go without me? Wait up. Hey, you little turkey. Oh, back in the weeds. Oh no, what are we gonna do? Who's driving this thing? You? Where'd you learn how to drive? Whoa. Ugh, let me hit that rope.